All right, this is just going to be a short video. This corner, I happened to miss this repair, so I saw it once I started painting, but at that point it's a little too late. I just used a little bit of compound. Now, obviously, that's not going to be super strong, but it would just, if it did get hit again, then there could be another chip there, but this is just a cosmetic thing for now. So I just go on both sides. With the 6-inch drywall knife. I'm just building that corner up. Okay. So that should be all good, and then I'll just take my drywall knife and just go up the corner like that, shaving off the excess. There. Now that's going to get lightly sanded, and then that should be good. Now, if I have to do another coat, I will determine that once I do the sanding and see if it needs it. Which, if it needs it, then I'll put another coat on just to clean that corner up a bit better. All right, this paint job's done. All the furniture is moved back. And I just wanted to show you how that corner turned out pretty good. So it looks a lot better than it did with those chips in it. But it's maybe not 100% perfect, but it's aesthetically it looks very good. And like I said, it's just some all-purpose compound, so it's not going to be the strongest corner, but it should be fine. If you did hit it hard enough, yes, you could get a chip again, but I think it should be good. So it turned out well. I just did a light sanding and then just a couple coats of paint over top, and you can't tell where that repair was.